Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Killer Sudoku. This exciting puzzle blends the logic of classic Sudoku with an extra layer of arithmetic. Your main objective is to fill a 9x9 grid with digits from 1 to 9. Just like regular Sudoku, every row, column, and 3x3 box must contain each digit exactly once. The unique twist comes from cages, which are groups of cells with a specific sum. Let's dive into the core of Killer Sudoku, the cages. Each cage has a small number in its corner, representing the sum of all digits within that cage. For example, a 2-cell cage with a sum of 3 must contain the digits 1 and 2. Crucially, digits within a single cage cannot repeat, even if they are not in the same row, column, or 3x3 box. This non-repetition rule is a powerful tool for deduction. Now, let's explore some essential strategies to get you started. Begin by identifying cages with only one possible digit combination, like a 2-cell cage summing to 3, which must be 1 and 2. Remember the 45 rule. The sum of all digits in any row, column, or 3x3 box is always 45. This rule is incredibly useful when a cage covers most of a row or column, allowing you to deduce missing values. To elevate your game, look for overlapping cages. A shared cell can provide vital clues. For instance, if 2 cages overlap, the digit in the shared cell impacts both sums. Don't be afraid to try different cage combinations for larger cages, using a pencil to note possibilities. The best way to master Killer Sudoku is through consistent practice. Begin with easier puzzles and gradually challenge yourself with more complex grids. Happy solving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.